Hey Sunny team, it's Annalisa, and today we're going to be talking about mental health. So mental health is extremely important to me because I have ADHD and I struggle with it daily. A lot of people don't know this, but people with ADHD produce lower levels of dopamine than the average person. So that means exercise or any physical activity can be very important for reducing anxiety, depression, and improving your overall focus and mental health.
For me, mental health really became an important part of my life when I was injured and couldn't exercise. And I realized that your mental health, what you're thinking, is just as important as how you're moving.
In my opinion, mental health is priority number one, even above physical health. Because our mental health impacts our physical health and also impacts every moment of our everyday.
So I make mental health a priority by going to therapy regularly. A lot of people have the stigma that you go to a therapist because there's something wrong, but sometimes you need to keep up with your mental health in the same way as you go to the gym to keep up with your physical health.
Over the years, I have adapted many different techniques to help take care of my mental health. I do talk to professionals in all different avenues, from therapy to craniosacral work. I also like to get outside and enjoy time in nature. Spending time with my dog has just been very therapeutic to my soul, as well as spending time with horses when I'm lucky enough to do it.
I prioritize my mental health by focusing on a few areas. So first I start with the body. So this includes making sure that I'm getting enough exercise and movement throughout my week, that I'm eating nutritious foods, and that I'm sleeping enough.
Journaling is something that I do each night to kind of give myself credit for all of the positive things I did that day, express my gratitude, and then help troubleshoot any obstacles I have currently in my life. But also, I make sure I'm aware of the positive benefits of exercise. And when I'm outside for a walk or for a run, I know that I'm doing something that's going to help me deal with stress in a better way and help me relieve any tension or negative mindset I may have and give me a positive vibe for the rest of the day.
I like to keep a daily planner, and in this planner, instead of writing every single task that I have to complete every single day, I narrow it down to only 4 things. It has to be 2 work things, 1 self-care task, and 1 fun task. So when it comes to that self-care task, it could be anything ranging for meditating for 1 minute or 10 minutes of cleaning up around the house. And for that fun thing, it's anything that brings me joy. So that way, I'm making my mental health a priority by adding it into my daily routine.
If possible, I cannot recommend enough getting a pet. Having my dog Stella has been huge to my mental health. In fact, on a down day, she could be the actual reason why I get up out of bed. She gets me outside, she gives me unconditional love, and she shows me how to live life in the present.
Keeping promises to yourself. I know it seems like such a small thing, but if you tell yourself you're gonna work out today, go work out today. Keep that promise to yourself. It actually builds a lot of self-confidence and it builds resilience, and it's really important to keep doing those little things because it'll yield very great results.
Breathwork has changed my life a lot, and I think when it comes to fitness, it is a time where we think we're doing something healthy, but really because we're so used to holding our air in and not letting ourselves breathe properly, that it can actually shut yourself off and trap emotions even more. So if you take the time to practice breathing, then it also helps your mind perform as well and helps you just find clarity and permission to actually feel and experience your emotions in a safe way, knowing that they're gonna show up, but they're also just energy and motion, so they're gonna flush out as well.
I would recommend for you, once again, picking something that you enjoy or something that you believe will be the easiest for you to implement. If it's 5 minutes of journaling, 5 minutes of meditating, 3 minutes of stretching, minimize it so it's easier for you to take action, and then make it a daily practice over time.
Okay, here is your weekly challenge. Either meditate, journal, or practice deep breathing for at least 5 minutes a day. I believe in you, and good luck.
Good luck with this week's challenge, and I look forward to getting mentally fit with all of you.
Let's dominate this week. Have a good one.